the Florida RV Supershow, my choice for the ultimate van build is remote vans. They impress me with their innovation in seating, design, and massive energy storage.
This is an Aegis model.
Aegis model for
Yes.
remote vans. Tell me a little about when did you guys start this and what's so great about remote vans?
Yeah, so we've been in business a little over 4 years. Started out as a custom builder, moved over to building production models, selling through dealers about a year and a half ago. So this is a 2025 Aegis series. This is our top of the line series. So this is the van that has everything for the person that wants no compromise. The three pillars of our company are power, comfort, and connectivity. We spare no expense when it comes to those three areas, and we really pride ourselves on the level of quality that we put in every van that we build. And the Aegis, as I said, is our flagship model. So we've got two touch screens that control everything in the van. We got the world's most efficient air conditioner, the best suspension in the world. Starlink high performance dish is standard on every van that we ship. We got scratch proof materials everywhere. We have this patent pending Van Halen seat which swivels so you can either face out. We call this sunset mode. You swivel it face forward when you're traveling. It also turns into a bed where you can sleep, what we like to say, two small humans or one normal sized human. So yeah, we're very proud of all the innovation that we've put into this van, and yeah, we think 2025 is going to be a great year for us.
Let's start power. How much power are we talking here?
It's 16.8 kilowatt hours. It's a 51 volt system from Lithionics. So for those of you that are familiar maybe with 12 volt systems, that equates to about 1,400 amp hours at 12 volts. So if you're used to like a 1 or 200 amp hour 12 volt battery, you're going to get 6-7 times that with this. So it's enough to run this air conditioner, which is a 48 volt native air conditioner from Pneumatic Cooling. You can run this for 3 to 4 nights off grid without recharging, but that doesn't even matter because you've got a super high efficient belted starter generator, dedicated alternator that is specifically geared to rapid recharge at normal idle. You don't need to chip it, so it's at high idle. And when you're driving, you can go from a flat battery to a full one in about 2.5 to 3 hours of driving.
Fantastic. Okay,
Yeah.
now someone's going to ask me the one thing that we didn't talk about is water. How much water do we carry?
So yeah, we do about 50% more than what you'd find in most Class B adventure vans. It's 32 gallons in the fresh tank. You got a 20-gallon gray tank. So yeah, we're all about efficiency. So even though you have 50% more water, we have a really innovative shower system. So you can use it like a normal shower as well, the internal shower. There's a rear one as well. But there's also a recirculating feature. So once you get all the main dirt off, you can actually use the same water over and over and take a 10-minute hot shower with only using 3 or 4 gallons out of your tank. So coming in off the ski slopes, coming from somewhere cold, it's a great feature that people love.
This is the Oasis. All right, comes in original blue and dark. Love this. What a fantastic adventure van. Okay, first off, we've got our table outside so you can have dinner. Love that. Bug screen, of course. This is on a spare chassis. Now this seat is great because it goes forward and sideways, which I love. And here we're showing you with the shower that's up. So here's where the shower is. It sort of comes out of the cabinet and comes down. And there's also a chemical toilet down here. Let me go walk around. I'll show you what it looks like. This is pretty cool. It goes right in there. Isn't that neat? And then we've got a bed that comes together. Now if you wanted to, it's got tracks. So if you have any kind of outdoor gear you want to put down here and adhere to the tracks. And let's take a look at these cabinets. Let's open them up. They lock, which I love. Oh, nice. Nice cabinets. Good job. Love the locking mechanism. Bug screen in the back as well. Fantastic job. Really great craftsmanship. Look at these nice, slick cabinets. And then we've got our fridge freezer down there.
We knew we wanted a drawer, and we knew we wanted stainless steel.
Yeah, the drawer's kind of cool.
And it didn't exist, so they Isotherm makes this one for yachts. You got the 48-volt air conditioner. You got the Starlink high performance dish.
Okay.
Obviously, you have the Girard awning, which is powered, has a light on it as well.
Okay.
When you get up in the Oasis and Aegis models, you've got a front light bar, and you've got rear spotlights out the back as well.
Nice.
And there is plenty of space up there, especially on the ladder side, to put like a box or lash down other gear. So there is some space. You can even get up there, about 2 people. You get up there maybe with some, a blanket or something and
Rooftop
watch
deck.
the sunset. Yeah,
Love that.
exactly.